Hey everybody, welcome back to Brick Building Fun. Today we are doing a very cool set here, Spongebob. I found this at the $5 store. It's called Five Below. I've mentioned the $5 store before. But in case any of you don't know about it, it is a very cool store where nothing is over $5. And this set right here, I have seen online for $17, $18. But this one, this was $3 at the $5 store. So that is a deal. Get a knife-aroo this on open. Let's see. A little bit of tape here. Oh yeah, and this is a Mega Block set. Now I've seen Lego SpongeBob sets, so I know Lego has done it, but I don't think they did that many of them. Isaac and Trent, my stepsons, actually have one or two of the SpongeBob sets, and I would love to find some of those. I don't know if they're made anymore. Okay, let's get all this out. 84 pieces, and you get a really cool little SpongeBob minifigure. As you can tell, as you can see, there are the instructions. This is Bike Racer, SpongeBob Bike Racer. I bought this and then I went back the next day and I got all the other SpongeBob sets they had like this. So I've got a few of these to do. Let's see. There we go. And open. This one doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. You got a nice little perforation up there on the top. Always nice. And the Mega Bloks minifigures, when you get one, are really cool. Let's get that trash out of here. There we go. He's got his arm. Moves around like that, so he's quite posable. His legs, well, they rotate, but they don't move other than that. But that's alright. But that's cool. That is very cool. Okay. Now they show us on the first page of this putting the tires on the wheels, but that has already been done, so we won't be doing that again. Okay, so well, there's a piece. Let's move all this over and out of the way. Put it under me. Okay, so we'll need this. The instructions are a lot like normal Mega Bloks instructions, as you would expect. Let's see. Except they're a little bit more SpongeBob themed, which is fun. I'm just checking to see if any lights are on that shouldn't be on, but no, it's all good. It's all good. Let's see. And I need a piece that looks a lot like this piece right here. Oh. Okay, this goes down here, like that. Oh, I need two of these. Two of them. Read the instructions, Josh. Read them good. Let's see. There it is. There's the other one. And these go like there and there. I didn't put it down yet because I had to scratch. I need to watch that because I need to not do that on camera. Bad presentation. Okay. Now, I need this right, wrong. No, I need this little 1x2 and this dude right here. And what do I do with them? Turn this around. This goes on here on the middle thing. You see there's like a nub there. Yeah, you put it on there, just like that. And then we get the T-piece that I tried to use before. And then one of these very plain things. And one of these with the holes on the sides. The nub-sided thing. Okay, this goes here. Yes, this goes here. And this goes here. Giving that a bit more stability because it needed it. Okay, then, my friends, my good buddies, bestest pals, you need all that. Two of those. I need to look at these numbers. There we go. Let's see. One goes across the back. One goes next to it. I hope they're not growing. One goes right there. You see? Now, I think we can get all this done in one video. It's only 86 pieces. Okay. Two of these. One of these nub pieces. And a red piece. We've only dealt with gray so far, but there's some red. Oh, nope. Right there. And this goes up here. And this goes here. Something seems not quite right here. What happened? Oh, wait. I'll get my separator here. What happened? That does not want to come off easily. Okay, so I did this, right? Yeah, that was right. I think I may have added an extra nub piece. Yeah, I think I did. Let's see. This goes here. Oh, no, I don't know. Oh, wait, okay. Nub up here. Yeah. Okay, got it right. Got it fixed. Fixed it up. Just for you. Okay, now this tan T-piece. That goes right there. That goes right there. Okay. Is that? Okay. Okay, so, now what? Now what? We need one of these, two of these. So we got purple pieces. That's always cool. This should be facing this way. Just so we're sure we're doing the right thing. This goes down here. This goes across here, and this goes down like that. So we've got a lot of little things stacked on top of each other. That's just Spongebob's style. Okay, one of those. Okay, one of these. Two of these. And what do we do? We take these two things. We do one of these. And then this goes in here. like that. And not the short ones. Use the longer of these. See, because there's a shorter one here. Whoop! There's a shorter one here. Don't use the shorter one. Use the long one. Where does that go? That goes back here. Yes. Alright. Now, step 9. Let's take this cleary piece. Very cool looking. Let's see. 2 of these things here with the hole in one end and the nub on the other end. 1 of this right here. 10 minutes, no. 12 minutes already. That's alright. That's alright. Maybe this will be a slightly long episode. Maybe. Okay, 2 sort of exhaust looking things. Okay, 1 of these. 2 of what? 2 of... There are a lot of little, you know, like tube pieces. Yep. That's the way it is. And 4 of these double nubbed tube joiners. Okay, so start with this. And we put the two of the red tube joiners in there and there, and sort of put that in as far as it'll go. If you ever need to undo that, you'll probably need pliers, but that's the way it is. Okay, and the purple piece goes right in there. Yes, okay. Now, these guys, 2 gray, nub on one end, hole on the other end, go there, and then 2 red tube joiners. There we go. Oh, is this going to be the front part with the steering column thing? I think it is. Okay, then these go here and here. Oh, turn that around, because this is a big headlight. See there? Big old headlight. And that's how it's supposed to look. And that goes where? We take this, goes right in there. So it can kind of, whoop. Okay, it can turn a little bit, but not very much. But whatever. Yeah. It doesn't seem to be very, I guess it isn't supposed to go very high over this, but I don't know. I'm guessing this is like the gas cap, maybe? Okay, so we need 1 of these, 1 of these, 1 of these, right? Yes, only 1 of everything. And a gray tube joiner, where, there it is. It tried to roll away, but it did not succeed. Okay, so we take the tube, put this red dealie there on one end, tube joiner on the other end, and this right here. And this goes here. Does it face backwards? Hard to tell. Let me go to the next. Nope. It faces up. Backwards, yes, but also up. There we go. All right. So, now what? Now what? I don't know. Don't ask me. No, do ask me. We get this. This goes on the back of here. Just like that. Okay. Then this wheel goes here. This wheel goes here. It rolls quite nicely. It won't be able to keep itself up though, of course. Okay, now we take this cool piece right here, this sort of specialized looking piece, and we put it across these two nubs right here that we put in. Not the easiest thing to do. Okay, never mind, it's not that hard. I don't know, you just stick it on there. Oh, and the other one, because we have two of them, the other one goes across the other way. Oh, this restricts the steering, which was already kind of restricted. So this is mostly, the turning is mostly ornamental, I guess. Okay, now are we going to need an exhaust thing on the other side? No, we're not, because we're making a sidecar. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so let's take this. I'm not going to bother and grab the pieces for this, because we're pretty much down to the rest of the pieces we need on this step. Okay. Need two of these and one of these. This goes across here. There's an airplane. That goes there. That goes there. Okay. Whoops. Wow, I was not watching. It goes like that. There. This goes up across all that. Maybe I should have made an inventory of the pieces we need. These two and this. So this goes here. Oh, and also another purple piece right there. These go here. Oh, make sure you put them down all the way. And here. Okay, these two and these two. They're going to do a crazy thing here. There. And there. And then these two and this. What do we do? What do we do? Oh, these two go here and here. Yep. And this wheel goes on there like that, and this goes here. And that goes right here on the two nubs, on the two tubes. So it kind of slants. It's kind of, yeah. Is that right? No, that's not right. It's not supposed to be kind of laying down. Take that off if you can. It goes here on the bottom. Like that. That's better. Well, that's kind of cool. I like that. Okay. Now we make Gary, I believe is his name. Now we pretty much use all the pieces we have left. Okay, so we take this blue piece, this pink piece, this cylinder, this grabber on top here, eyes, kind of, oh, these are kind of creepy looking eyes, but that's Gary, you know, he's a snail, they're a little creepy. Creepy and he's kooky. Mysterious and spooky. Okay, and this I'm going to put with the little spiral going up. I don't know. Might not matter. Might matter. Maybe I haven't seen enough Spongebob to know exactly what he looks like, but he sits right here. And Spongebob stands here. Oh. Something went wrong here. Because Spongebob cannot really grab his, he can't grab that. Okay, I'm gonna look at what went wrong there, and I'll be right back. Okay, I see what I did wrong here. Yeah, when I put this together, when I did the steering, this piece right here I put in turned around. So you turn that around. There we go. Now you can stand Spongebob right here, and he will hold on to those handlebars with both hands for safety, you know. Because with Spongebob, safety comes first. There we go. Spongebob on his motorcycle. Awesome. See you next time.